Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of GetAssist.net, and in today's video I'm going to show you where you can find the posts that you have liked on Instagram. So we all keep on liking photos and videos on Instagram, but do you know where do they get stored? If not, let's find out. So here I'm already on my Instagram. Make sure you are logged in as well. Now if you want to see the post that you have liked on Instagram so far, I'm going to show you how you can do that. For example, that's the post I'm going to like right now, and now to watch it later you can tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap the menu icon at the top right. From here you have to go to settings and then tap the account option. Now here at the bottom you will see one option, posts you have liked. So it will have all your posts, the photos and videos that you have liked so far. So for example, if you are liking something and you want to store it to see it in future without getting lost, you can simply like it and you will find it here in the likes section. Alright, the post you have liked, that's the corner of the Instagram where you can see all your posts that you have liked so far, even your own post as well. So for example, I have liked my own picture, so that is also here, and the other photos and videos that I have liked on Instagram. Now in case if you want to remove something from here, you simply have to unlike that photo or video and that will get automatically removed from the post you have liked. So I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, that's the video I want to remove, so I'm going to unlike it, and as you can see it got disappeared from this section. So that's how you can see your liked post and you can save any post to watch it in future. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can also comment down all your queries and suggestions for my next videos. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, for more informational content. That was all for today's video. Thank you for watching.